All right, we got the Xtool IP508. There it is, 508 Smart Diagnostic System. It's an onboard diagnostics OBD2 scanner here from Xtool, of course. And let's put it through its paces. Let's try the auto scan, see what it says. We're in my 2014 Ram, was it 3500 Cummins? So let's see here. Let's see here. Oh, auto scan. There we go. Helps if you click the right button. And I'm showing this in real time so you can see what it takes. Oh, it figures out it's a Dodge. There we go. That's pretty quick. I've seen them take a lot longer than that. 2014 DJ 3500. It looks pretty good. Let's here. Click OK. Automatic scan system detection. Let's do automatic scan. Before auto scan, please start the engine. All right, let's start the engine. Powertrain. Look at that. Look at that. All good. Let's read the ECU information. All right. Let's go to home. Well, that was a screenshot. I'm doing this through the phone. There we go. There's home right there. All right, let's go back to home. We got settings, gallery, diagnostics, Explorer, and Chrome. I can go to Chrome. I can surf the internet on this thing. Oh, wow. So you can look stuff up. You look up other things. Okay, let's go back to home. Let's go to diagnosis. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go back. Do you want to exit? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. There we go. Come up here. Okay. Okay. Special functions. All right, we got refocus, SAS, oil reset, EPB, BMS reset, throttle, and ABS bleeding. Reports. Let's look at the data. The relevant data, diagnostics. Okay. Go back. Settings, let you go through, change the units, all that kind of stuff. Our units are at. Language is English. Units are currently in metric. More. There's the user manual. All right, you've already seen it in use. We're going to go over a little bit more close up on the device here. Sorry for the glare. It's a clean looking device. I like the size of it. I like the shape and everything. I got bigger paws, so being able to grab it and stuff is good. As far as ports, you got USB, the barrel adapter. You got your 15 pin, and you got your power switch. And as you can see, it's pretty quick and responsive as far as turning on and turning off kind of thing. You've already seen that it's a touchscreen. There's nothing really else on it. There is a little port for the speaker here. That's about it. It's a good solid device, and with these ends are rubberized and stuff, so you can beat the snot out of this thing. You can probably drop it and whatnot, and it'll be fine. The as far as the specs and stuff, what it will do, what it'll cost and stuff, let's jump into that real quick and let's take a look at it. It's going to cover 4 points of diagnostics on your vehicle here. You're looking at the engine, transmission, ABS, and your SRS system there. So, people are like, well, what about, diagnostics and whatnot? So read codes, clean codes, live data, freeze frame, DTC lookup, onboard monitor test. I think you have to upgrade for that one. O2 sensor, component test, IM readiness, and vehicle information. I think that covers most of the stuff. Again, there's one part in here, I think, where does it say this? Dealership level diagnostics. And that's one thing I take issue with. This is not a professional grade dealership level device. Does it give you some of the dealership diagnostics level? Sure, but you don't have the bidirectional or the full bidirectional. It has, it does have a little bit of that. I think all readers kind of do. I mean, if they can clear codes, at some point that's bidirectional, but it does a little bit more than that, as I said, the ABS and all that. But it's not a full bidirectional machine, which I can't really say is true dealership level diagnostics, but it can do an oil reset, EPB reset, ABS bleeding, throttle relearn, BMS reset, SAS reset. It'll let you deal with your parking brakes, and if you got an e-parking brake, and you can release it so you can do the brake maintenance and that kind of stuff on there. So there is a lot of it that is semi-bidirectional, if you would. I definitely don't consider it to be this is really low-end prosumer, high-end DIY is the level I would put this at. Live data graphing. A lot of people really like this kind of stuff. And again, good for some higher-level diagnostics. So I'm just seeing what your vehicle is doing. That I like being able to see it. A one-touch registry and update with the Wi-Fi. Yes, it is. I will say this. The keypad on it is really tiny, and I got big old fingers. But I was able to do it and the Wi-Fi setup was pretty quick. The registry was real quick. As far as the stuff it comes with your standard connection cable here, so you can connect to your reader. It's got the plug here. It's one of these universal plugs that plugs into the USB cable that it also comes with, so you can charge it. It's got a fairly decent battery in it. I think it says something about the battery here. 2950 milliamp hour battery. It's got lifetime updates. It's also got, I believe, a 2-year warranty with it. It's running on an Android-based system. I found it quick and responsive. Thought it was great. Now, as far as price, you're like, okay. This is something I'm interested. What's the price? Well, list price on their website, I think it's $230. On Amazon, it's usually $200. They have it on sale right now, down to $127. But you know how we do it here? I'm going to do you one better. So there's a link down below, and if you click on the link, right next to the link in there, there's a coupon code, and that's going to knock, I think it's like another $10, 8% off the total. I think it takes it down from $127 to $117, which puts it in the realm of a lot of those little smaller handheld scanners. And I realize it's not the form factors that you can put it in a bigger box, that kind of stuff. But I like it. I like, if it's something I'm going to keep in my car all the time. I used to keep one of the smaller scanners in my car all the time, but now I've got one of those Bluetooth ones I just keep plugged in. But I'm going to get into some serious diagnostics. I'm looking at that kind of level. I think this would be a good way to go. It's a few bucks more. I'm a big fan of the bidirectional. I really like it. I'm very blessed to have a couple of the bidirectional scanners, but you are going to be able to buy 2 or 3 of these for the price of a bidirectional scanner. So you're really jumping up there to get to that level. And I think for somebody who's not quite at that level, I think this is a perfect device for you. And I'm a big fan of Xtool. I want to thank them again for sponsoring this video and sending this over for review. Again, check out the link down below. Let me know if this would suit your needs, or if there is a different style of scanner or something you'd want to see. Anyway, that's all we got for you today. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.